This video tutorial is how to format a table in a single page the AIIAS way. First, you need to write the table number. Remember, your table must be aligned with the margin of your paper. It should not be shorter nor longer. To insert the table, click Insert, then click Table, and you can choose how many rows or columns you want for your table. For this tutorial, I will have 2 columns and a number of rows. On the first row, highlight all the columns, right-click, and click Merge Cells. On this row, you will write the title of your table. Make sure that it's all caps and italics. On the second row, you can start typing the headings for each column. In this case, we will write male and female. Make sure that it's sentence case and bold. In the succeeding rows, you can start typing the entries for each column. If you need to add a row below, you can highlight one row and right-click, click Insert, and insert rows below or above. If you need more, you can highlight a number of rows and follow the same steps. Now we are going to format this table according to the AIIAS standard. Click this plus sign over here. Then click Design. Notice this item here, Borders. Click the small arrow under it. Among the selections here, you choose No Border. The first line of the table must begin under the table title. So you highlight the column headings, go back to Border, click Bottom Borders and Top Borders. Then highlight the last row, go to Borders and choose Bottom Borders. Remember, only horizontal lines appear in the table. Vertical lines are used only when they are necessary for readability. Horizontal lines appear before and after column headings and at the bottom of your table.